Welcome back to Code and Current Studio. In this episode, we're continuing our smart security system build. Last time we added the push buttons to simulate a keypad, giving users control to arm or disarm the system. Today, we're enhancing the system with a 16 by 2 LCD display to show real-time status, updates, and motion alerts. We're building on the Stage 3 circuit. The PIR sensor is connected to digital pin 2, the LED to pin 13, the buzzer to pin 8, and the push buttons to pin 5, the arm button, and pin 6, the disarm button. Now we'll add the LCD display and a 100 ohm potentiometer. We'll connect the LCD display pin RS to pin 12, pin E to pin 11, pin D4 to pin 10, pin D5 to pin 9, pin D6 to pin 4, pin D7 to pin 3, and then the potentiometer, the middle pin, will go to the 0V on the LCD screen, and will also provide each of these with power and ground. All right. Pin RS to pin 12. Pin E to pin 11. Pin D4 to pin 10. Pin D5 to pin 9. D6 to pin 4. D7 to pin 3. The middle pin on the potentiometer will go to pin V0. So here's our potentiometer. Pin V0. And we'll also provide our potentiometer and the LCD screen with power and ground. The LCD will show whether the system is armed or disarmed on the first line. When motion is detected, it will display "Motion detected" on the second line. This gives users visual feedback in addition to the LED and the buzzer alerts. We're introducing the Liquid Crystal library and initializing the LCD with 6 digital pins. The code updates the display based on system state and motion detected. When the system is armed and motion is detected, the LCD shows a motion alert. Otherwise, it displays the current system status. Let's walk through the updated code and highlight the parts related to the LCD. Okay, these first couple lines are going to be the new Liquid Crystal library, and we're initializing the pins for the LCD here. We're going to establish the LCD with 16 columns and 2 rows. Here's our initial message from the LCD screen: system disarmed when we first start the code. When the button is pressed, when it was not pressed, the system will say it's armed. It'll first clear everything on the screen and then say system's armed. When the disarm button is pressed, it'll clear the screen and then say system disarmed. When motion's detected, it will display that motion is detected on the screen. And then when motion is not detected, it'll clear it out and there will be nothing displayed as for the motion detection part. All right, let's check our code, start our simulation. Code looks good. Start our simulation, shows system is disarmed. So it's picking up the motion, but nothing's happening. Can arm our system. When we move this, then all the alerts will go off. And then we can disarm the system and nothing happens. Now it's your turn to be creative. Try modifying the LCD messages or adding counters to track motion events. Experimenting with different layouts and see how the display enhances your project. We'd love to hear from you and what you come up with. Share your modified code, circuit ideas, or questions in the comments section. If you're following along, consider picking up an Arduino Starter Kit. It includes all the components we've used so far and more to challenge your learning and keep you experimenting. Check the description for links to kits and components. Congratulations, you've just added visual feedback to your smart security system. In the next episode, we'll simulate sending alert messages via the serial monitor. Be sure to like, subscribe, and check the description for code, parts, and bonus resources.